The brake override system, or BOS, is a critical safety feature in Toyota Tacoma trucks from 2016 to 2024. Understanding what this system does and what happens when it malfunctions is essential for every Tacoma owner. The brake override system monitors both the brake and accelerator pedals. When both pedals are pressed at the same time, the system automatically reduces engine power, prioritizing braking over acceleration. This prevents unintended acceleration scenarios. When the BOS malfunctions, you'll see a yellow triangle warning light on your dashboard with an exclamation point, along with a message saying brake override malfunction or BOS malfunction. This is crucial to understand. This warning does not mean your brakes are failing. Your normal braking system continues to work perfectly. The warning simply means the override safety feature isn't functioning correctly. The system relies on several key components working together. Sensors continuously monitor the positions of both the brake and accelerator pedals. This data is sent to the engine control module, which processes the information and controls the engine's response. When both pedals are pressed, the ECM reduces engine power to prioritize braking. Most BOS malfunctions fall into three main categories. Sensor issues account for 60% of cases, including faulty or contaminated brake and accelerator pedal sensors, as well as sensor calibration drift over time. Electrical problems make up 25% of cases, involving damaged wiring, poor ground connections, and ECM communication errors. Mechanical issues represent 15% of cases, typically involving wear in the brake or accelerator pedal assemblies. Electrical problems are a major cause of BOS malfunctions. Here we can see examples of damaged wiring that has been repaired with electrical tape and corroded wire connections. These issues disrupt the communication between sensors and the ECM, causing the system to malfunction. BOS malfunctions are most common in higher mileage vehicles, particularly those with over 60,000 miles, due to component wear over time. Harsh operating conditions also increase the risk, including off-road driving, dusty environments, and extreme temperatures. These conditions can contaminate sensors and damage electrical connections. The issue affects Toyota Tacoma models from 2016 to 2024. Remember these key points. A BOS malfunction warning does not mean brake failure. Your brakes continue to work normally. Most issues stem from sensor or electrical problems, and they're more common in high-mileage vehicles or those operating in harsh conditions. When the BOS warning appears, professional diagnosis is the recommended first step. Normal braking function remains intact, so the vehicle is safe to drive while seeking repair. Most BOS malfunctions are resolved through sensor replacement or electrical repairs. Here are the most common fixes and their typical costs. Before heading to a mechanic, there are several DIY troubleshooting steps you can try. These simple procedures can sometimes resolve the issue or provide valuable information for diagnosis. Real-world case studies demonstrate how these repairs work in practice. Here are two successful repair examples that show the most common solutions. Prevention is key to avoiding BOS malfunctions. Regular maintenance and environmental awareness can significantly reduce the likelihood of sensor failures, especially in harsh working conditions.